Okay, January 9th, 2011. We're in Love County, Oklahoma at Windstar Casino. Just nearly slid off the highway. Some other cars are having the same problem. This is just all sleet and snow at this point. There's a car right up here. It slid off the highway and into the guardrail. We saw it come down I-35. Traffic is going very slowly on I-35 in this area. I need to get a sand truck through here.
They're upside down.
Okay, this has just happened. I didn't catch it on video. A car has just slid off the road and is upside down. A gentleman's just gotten out of the car. There are cars stopped on the highway. Get some zoom shots of that. Cars are stopped on the highway. People are running across the highway. I unfortunately did not get that on film. I hope those people are okay. There's people running across the highway. I hope everybody's all right. I'm gonna call 911. This is heavier snow than I thought we'd encounter in Oklahoma.
Oh, he's moving.
It's good, at least this guy went off the road. Look at all the snow out here.
Wow, this guy really did.
Yeah, he really did.
Wow, that poor guy. What?
Quick. Oh, it's coming down.
Yeah.
A lot heavier than I thought it would be.
Wow, those are big flakes.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, like straight out here.